speaking? Are you speaking? Are you speaking? You speaking? Come on in. Hi. Hiya. This is Riley at 6 weeks old. It's bonfire night tonight. And that is why Ethan is under the bird cage, because she is petrified of the fireworks. And Twingo is not bothered. Oh dear. Oh dear. You giving us a smile? Give us a nice smile. Go on then. Oh, pathetic. Here's something that's pathetic as well. She thinks she's actually hiding. If it keeps her calm, that's fine. I used to love bonfire night, now I hate it because of the state she gets in. And like I'm saying, the littlest one, not bothered in the slightest.